Work it, make it, do it. Makes us harder, better, faster, stronger. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster. Makes us stronger, more than ever. After our work is never over. Work it harder, make it better, do it faster. Makes us stronger, more than ever. After our work is never over. Work is never over. Do it, work is never.
Good evening and welcome to the final episode for season 1 of Losing It, The Wait is Over, Jamaica's only weight loss reality show. I'm your host, Talia Suarez. 10 weeks of interesting challenges, pushing bodies to their limit, and of course, enough willpower. But they made it through and now we're here. Tonight we will have our final weigh-in and you'll see our contestants like you've never seen them before. We will also announce our grand prize winner, the person who has lost the most weight over the last 10 weeks. This contestant will walk away with $250,000, a year's supply of Lasco Hydrate, iCool Water and Nutrify, 1-year gym membership at Fit Farm Fitness Club, plus a month's supply of MetaBalance 360 meals. No bad at all, right? Of course, the remaining contestants will find out tonight just how much cash they'll be taking home in our NCB Cash per Pound weigh-in. We have a lot planned for you, and we're going to kick things off with our motivator, Audrey Allwood.
Let me tell you.
Hi, Audrey, welcome.
Thank you, Terry.
So, Audrey, can't believe season 1 is over
I'm
already.
telling you.
10 weeks, are you surprised at the results?
I am not surprised at all.
How do you feel?
The guys have been working very hard with their trainer for the last 10 weeks. What I am is very, very happy.
Very happy?
Yes, very happy with the results. Very happy with what they're doing so far.
All right, how do you feel about the show's success?
Well, I know Jamaica just love what we're doing. Everywhere that I've been, people are like, you know, you guys are doing such a good thing. They want to be on the show. People want to know how to get in touch with us to get on the show. So we're doing very good. People just love it.
Oh, awesome. I know you spoke to the contestants all the time. Was there a time, when you really had to motivate anyone in particular?
Sure. Well, all the guys are always in my office. Big Pop, Brittany, and Everald, they're always there. But Brittany, definitely, she's the one that needed the most motivation because she had been going through a little emotional stress because of her mother, the passing of her mother. So her weight gain was really emotional eating.
Okay.
So she had gained all that weight. She was like 109 pounds when her mother passed, before her mother passed. And in a couple of months, she went to 168 pounds. Wow. And being 5'2", at 168 pounds, that's a lot of weight.
Okay.
In that short piece of time.
And how do you motivate them now to continue on the weight loss journey?
They are so motivated right now that they really don't need me. But we are there for them same way. They are doing really well. They're so excited. They have big plans. Like even Brittany, she's actually training right now for a bikini contest.
Excuse me?
And everyone wants to be a bodybuilder.
But you're not saying.
They have some big plans, I'm telling you. They have plans. So let's see what happens.
All right. And what are you looking forward to most for season 2?
I'm looking forward to work with the new contestants. I want to show Jamaica that we are here to motivate people and to transform people. It's a lifestyle change, and we're just going to do that.
All right. We're going to do it. So Audrey is also the owner of the Losing It base, Fit Farm Fitness Club. And because we're all about keeping Jamaica healthy, the gym will be offering the first 10 people who sign up this week 15% off the 12-week boot camp. And all you have to do is head to 2 Upper Braemar Avenue and tell them you heard this on Losing It. Thanks, Audrey.
Thank you, Talia.
Now, one thing that had you all tuning in week after week were our challenges. And believe me, I'm glad I didn't have to do them. Here's a quick look back at what our contestants had to go through these last few months. Good morning, teams!
Good morning!
All right, it's challenge day, and boy, are we ready for you.
Come on, in, come. Come on. Jump through. Well, the dive in the challenge through the tire, when I see the size of that hole in the tire, I said to myself, so Pop, I think I'll go through there now.
Yeah, man, yeah. Come on now. Do like a teacher. Right through. No, wrong way, Stacey. Wrong. Get up.
Team, take your position.
An ambulance that come pick me up out the car. Seriously, to God, me need a give up.
I did have the right form, but then my back started give way and I couldn't hold it. I am not allowing red team to go across that finishing line before me. So by any means necessary, I am going to go across the finishing line before them. So I just flick over and roll to the finishing line.
Carissa's flip took the day. When I see the hula hoop part in the challenge, me I say, Brittany, I go mash up this. Fast, because the tire that kill him. So when I see she reach the hula hoop and step and I say, yes, Brittany.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I wasn't even one bit surprised at how Carissa under the rope slam.
17, 18, 19, 20.
When me see him reach out and like me go step up and say man make a big kick like a pellet, me I say, everyone say, when me same kind of foot, but foot shaped like a K, the ball is going to go the next way.
Go!
Oh, when me see Brittany take up, me I say, alright, Brittany, we have this. Then me see still so much some deal lift. Me I said, no, sir. Brittany said, yes, sir. She said, where are you?
When we come down to the last part now, I may look from my right and I say, Stacey, I say, no, Big Pop, come.
On your mark, get set, go!
When we finish the race and we come in now, I wasn't breathing properly. When the condition started to take me, honestly, I thought I was going to die. When we got over the phase there of me not dying, I wanted to go to dance class because I felt a little better.
It's a battlefield list. And you go to a dance class. A dance class is not a normal class. And friend, you can do dance class, you can do the challenge.
No,
he's acting. He's acting as if he's the only one who works every week. And I'm alone tired right now, right?
My trainer do whole heap of gymnastics tonight because I teach him a lot, you know. I teach him those things. And I always tell him that, Chevron, anything you're doing, you have to put out your best. So when I see him go through the first iron, it was a challenge to him. I say, come on, Chevron, I teach you better than that. You understand? So he go through the second one, do some gymnastics that I teach him.
When I see Chevron do the little gymnastic move there, I say, yeah, I'm a spinning class I want him teach. As a trainer, he made me very proud.
One step, one step, Carissa. One step.
I wasn't even worried. I was just thinking in my mind to say, Sandy, go and sit. Because this is it. Carissa is very strong.
When we hear go and we rush off, I was like, okay then, Chevron, get the pepper. I didn't see the pound where the one pound of pepper, red, was.
Oh, 1 pound Scotch bonnet pepper, red only. 1 pound.
When I saw that blue team had to go back twice, that wasn't surprising. That's just blue team.
Daniel is a national junior champion boxer, and you'll be put in the ring with him for 90 seconds.
Punch.
So, everybody say, Carissa, no. Carissa, pick up the speed. I said, whoa.
Yes, weird. Carissa?
At that moment when I felt everything just went blank for a couple seconds, up there, when I opened my eyes I realized I was still in the air. I felt a little bit better. Just thought the God a while ago still him send me to just do it.
Well, last challenge, them not beat it.
Pretty, come on, man! Put it up this side, we don't got this. What do you hear me say about? You sure about that? Got what? And I got you talk about that, and that's the way you're going. We got this. You know, when we say we got this, we got this.
I'm really proud of all of them. Those challenges were not easy at all, but they did them with no hesitation. So of course, we can't let all that work go in vain. After 8 challenges, there was a tie with the yellow team and the blue team. So Bella's Day Spa will be giving each member of the teams, including the trainer, gift certificates for massages and facials. Thanks, Bella. When we get back, our contestants take pampering to a different level. Stay tuned to Losing It, the wait is over.